Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to Banks of X channel. Yeah, is where you take a U-turn to profitability. Welcome to the channel once again, guys. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming and tuning into our analysis talk. And if you are just joining us for the first time, we welcome you to the channel. Yeah, on this channel, we're going to be showing valuable insights on the markets and how you can scale into profitability. As I said, this is where you make a U-turn to profitability. So once again, my name is Frankie Banks, and let's get into the topic of today. So the topic of today is how to identify the direction for the week. So this is something I've been working on because it's something that used to haunt me back in the past. When I step on the charts, I didn't really know the direction of the week. So, but I derived a system that helps me identify the direction for the week, or what is mostly going to happen for the week. So without further ado, let's dive into the charts, guys. All right, as you can see on GBPUSD, this is the only pair I trade. This is the only pair I am in sync with. I love how the pair moves because it's a currency pair that is fast and gives you the numbers that you want to attain. So as you can see on GBPUSD, we have been trending downwards. Anyone that looks at the chart, even though 80% doesn't know anything about forex, can tell you this is going downwards. And why is it going downwards? We have reasons for it going downwards. It's based on market structure. You see, we have been consistently breaking lows in the markets. Sorry about that. We're consistently breaking lows in the markets. Yes, we broke this low. Came in here. This can act as a low for me. Okay, we've been breaking lows consistently. We broke this low. This is where you're currently at now. So GBPUSD has been breaking lows consistently, and this in turn tells us that we are trending downwards. Okay, so now currently GBPUSD has broken this low, so now it has given us a new lower low. So now market is now pulling back to test this previous broken support, turning it into resistance, and then we can either see this to break this previous low right about here, or we can see markets push up above here, come back, reach this level, and then start heading up. Either ways, we have two scenarios that are in the cards to play out. But for what we can see, market is doing a daily correction back to test previous broken support. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to come back to showing you how to identify the direction for the week. Don't worry, I just wanted to let you guys know what is currently going on GBPUSD currently. So yeah, so how do I identify directions for the week? Let's dive into that, guys. How I identify directions for the week is I don't trade on Mondays. I know it's hard for you guys to stay away from the charts. Monday, everyone wants to get Monday, everyone is still taking the mentality of the 95, even though it affected me in the beginning. Everyone is taking that mentality of the 95 on Monday, hit it hard, start strong. But in Forex is a paradox. It's Forex works on the opposite of what we as human beings normally believe to work for us. So Monday is just a chill day. Just relax, bro. Be calm. Wait for the Monday candle to do its thing. Let the dust settle. Just like when you're you have a store, right? You pack up this night. You close the store, and then in the morning you wake up, you open the store, and someone comes and say, "Oh, I need a pack of sugar," and the pack of sugar is at the end of the store. The person needs to wait for you to unpack everything, create a pathway for you to go get the sugar for the person. Is that not so? So that's how it is in Forex. On Monday, you just chill, bro. Just relax. Let everything unpack. Let everything unfold. Then that's when you can possibly determine the direction for the week. Okay, let me show you how we do determine the direction for the week without talking too much. Let's do a little bit of back testing. So now, how we're going to identify the direction for the week is we wait for Monday candle to open and close. That is just the simple trick. People are like, wow, does that really work? Yes, it does. Let me show you some examples. So let's look for a Monday candle. This is a Monday candle. Last week Monday, yes, as you can see below, Monday 4th of September 2023. So what are we going to do here? We're going to, let me make this bigger. We're going to take a little horizontal ray and then mark the high of Monday and mark the low of Monday. Okay, this is the first one, and let's go back. I want you to also go back and back test this and see how effective this is. Let's look for another Monday. I want at least 2 to 3 Mondays, so I don't come on the daily time frame too often. So I want you guys to okay, let's do this one first. So I don't confuse you guys. Okay, this is the first one. We'll do 2 or 3 of these, then show you that it really works. And yeah, okay, let's go on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, Monday highs and lows have been marked. So just wait for the network. Yes, okay. So you can see on Monday, this is the Monday high and low last week. You see, Monday created a high, created this high, touched this is the high of the week. So to know the direction of the week, you need to see the breakout of either the high of Monday candle or the low of Monday candle. As you can see here, the breakout happened to the bottom side. That is the low of Monday. So now we are going to expect more of sales, and that's what we saw last week on GBPUSD. We saw more of sales because the direction for last week was more sales, because the candle broke out very impulsively to the downside of Monday candle low. So that is how I identify the direction for the week. Let's go back to the daily time frame. Let's pick out the previous week that happened. Let's see what we have there. I just want to show you people the evidence that this actually works. And it's fire, guys. It's really magical. Okay, this is Monday, so got that. So now note that this is previous Monday candle high, candle low. Monday candle high here is marked perfectly. But you can see already the previous week was more of buys. It's not like sorry guys, it's not like when the candle when it breaks out to the upside or the downside is going to trend there forever. No, it's going to, sometimes you have to also notice if that was a daily pullback or a daily impulse or a daily correction. So you have to also keep that in mind as well. So as you can see, we broke to the upside and we had more buys before we started trending down on Friday. You see, Friday, that's when we had this I think this was NFP. Yes, this was NFP, 1st of September NFP. I didn't catch this trade because I was on transit, but yeah, it was a beautiful trade. I caught the rest of this. It was very beautiful to watch on GBPUSD. But you can see this was more of buys. So you can also go back and backtest this. This actually works. I want you to go and do your due diligence. Don't just take my word for it. Go and backtest it on your charts. go on your daily time frame, mark the highs and lows of Monday and see how the breakout happened and see the direction that it led the direction the price pushed or leaned towards more for the week, and you see. So now what you're going to do the same thing for this week. As you can see, it's just 37 minutes before the candle close, so we can safely say that this is the high that market has traded today, and this is the low that the market would possibly trade for today. So now what are we going to wait for? What are we going to do? Sorry about that, guys. Yes, it needs to be at the low, so you have an accurate. What's wrong with this? So you have accurate information when it's printing out. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. Hold on, guys. Yes, so as you can see on the 4 hour, this is the high and low. For what you can see already, market has been trending downwards, breaking lows, consistently breaking lows. But here we had issues. Created a support level. People knows this chart pattern formation as double bottoms. So price has created double bottoms. Price came, tried to break this level, could not. Came back, attempted to break this level, could not, and then it pushed higher. So now what are we waiting for? We're waiting to see if price will continue breaking lows but as you can ask from what I can see now, price has started breaking highs. Price has started breaking highs right about here. So now to wait for to know that if price is going to continue higher, we need to see price pull back into this region right about here, and then continue higher if it truly wants to break the highs and go higher. So but we have two scenarios, because if you go to the daily time frame, you can see that the daily needs to correct back. As I said earlier, daily needs to correct back. You see, as you can see, it even aligns with what we drew on the 4 hour time frame. The daily needs to correct back and test this lows right about here. Test this lows for a lower high if it wants that, and then come back down and break this low right about here. So daily needs to pull back, test this low, come back down and break this low if it wants to continue lower, or break above this resistance, go up, come down and retest and then push higher if it wants to keep going up. So what are you waiting for? We are just waiting for price to determine where it's going to head up to. But for what we can see, we are just waiting for our signal to tell us that we are either breaking Monday highs or we're breaking Monday lows. So that's what we're going to wait for. I'm sure with this you can know the direction of where market is going to go mostly for the week. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to delete these levels. I know they look pretty good, or no, not. Let me check the back. Those levels look pretty decent, so I can see use them for my analysis. Okay, so now I'm going to plot my psychological levels, because I trade out psychological levels. Okay, so to make the video short, I've already plotted the psychological levels on another chart. I don't want to plot them on here and make this video longer than it doesn't. I don't want to make the video too long. So if you want to learn how to plot the psychological levels, you can just put a comment down below and let me know I will make another video on that. So now you can see price is coming down to, we expect price to come down into 1.2500 level. You can see right about here, but price needs to come and test this lows, show change of characters, change of trend, and then we head to the upside. So that is my, I'm not really having any bias on GBPUSD. I just want to see where price is heading to. But for what I can see here, technically price has broken a high, so we need price to come down and retest that broken high and show us if it's willing to continue higher. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button as well, and also turn post notification, because I'll be releasing videos like this every single week. And also join my community. If you want to get in touch with me, I'll put my Instagram and my Telegram handle down below. Reach out to me if you have any problems. I can help you explain more and help you become a better trader as much as I can. Thank you guys for your time, and see you next week. I'll be giving more updates about this on my YouTube story, so just hit the notification bell for that. I'll be giving more updates on this trades or on this week's movement on GBPUSD. So thanks guys, ciao.